Minsta ni tambah kiti, hote na wake. Hote na numuri balik silit sing sati na loman tiu 100 ni singan ibu.
The head teacher Unogo Primary School and teachers, Tui Watorowa and the chiefs of Musaratu, school management, students, Clara Serik Chumba Namanubuli, Namuni, Salakotelangabir, Batanang Sarabir, Nararago, members of the community, ladies and gentlemen. Mulibinaka, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, and good morning to you all. This morning, government through the Ministry of Youth and Sports are committed to enhance the development of sports and physical activity in the country. We have just witnessed one yesterday in Samsabu. There was the Ngonogo 7 that we launched. And last week we launched the Ngonogo Kera sevens tournament that was organized by the Fiji Sports Commission in developing sports outreach program that available with government that we can utilize well to do in districts and in province. Starting this year, the ministry is conducting a review of the national and sports activity. This is the policy that is guiding us on whatever we develop in, or whatever development in sports we taking part. We have the Fiji Sports Commission under the umbrella of Ministry of Youth. And also we have programs that the Ministry of Youth always give up to the communities. That is sports equipment, rural playing field, like we just about to witness this morning, and other development on sports, because that is part of the part 2 of the portfolio that we have. We have one portfolio in the ministry that is the youth development, and sports development, which is we are witnessing one of the example that we are having this morning. We see the development of sports as a key platform that it's essential to lay a solid foundation for good health for our young people, our community, and especially those who are in the rural areas, both male and females, and also we are not differentiating disabled and able, because we look after all youths, and we do all youth development and sports development to all. Government will provide unwavering support to honors development, and also honors development through in Fiji to build sports social cohesion and to improve our health. Government through the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Youth and Sports cannot overemphasize the needs that the Fijians to stay healthy and physically active through our participation in sports and physical activity. This is good for our communities and our economy that has been proven in the last 4 years that we are in government. We support all sports that are involved, that we are involved in. Right at the moment, Me da bucu mai na matani ko sa tursa ulkan do ke na sports na national sports organization that is supported by government. So not only rugby, not only sevens, rugby 15 and sevens, not only netball, we support cricket, soccer, Australian rules, netball, volleyball. So it is quite a range of sports, 31 altogether. Teachers and schools need to be agent of change and impress our community. Also, especially young minds, that they need to stay fit, healthy, and adopt this as lifelong learning to promote a healthy lifestyle. My ministry, or the Ministry of Youth and Sports, has worked to ensure that we provide the best investment in sports development and sports facility. What we have been doing in the last 3 or 4 years, supporting the development of sports in rural communities and also in urban communities. So this was done, of course, with support from school management and community. And I must thank students and teachers and parents. Last week we just witnessed the Mailokachi that was held in Suba, and the type of development that we are conducting at the rural area come as far as the urban area. In the last 3 weeks I was on a long trip, and the motion came up from Vivia Island and Vanuatu that they have lost touch with the island zone. Okla ni indona motion ni bina kaya ni rakota teki mai roto mai Vanuatu bateki Vivia bateki Vanumbala ni sarangito chikona kabakasage uchikona rede ni rangito chikona Mailokachi lakota kena dins ralistel mai kini indona ya bini le bortu medivia korabuli rangito babina katuna dins sarale. So what we will do, when we go back now, we'll have a meeting with CEO FRU, also the executive chairman of Fiji Sports Commission, try to revitalize island zone again. Some academic and researchers have also conducted that mathematics and readings are subjects that are most positively influenced by physical activity. Going to nakai nakutamay na takataka bata na bakasama na linga bata kineba and vir nangoni na nisandon non raraning ito. Na bagsauti ang dolatar tungan non roto raramay kurbuto tukun chukin na to bandindinta kena nanga sinibuli may kurbuto ni buke na nonra na kena takataka bata na bakasama na linga bata keneba se go indo na kain dendre ya rota nangito ke baka inda sini rede chuko na bunoya rede chuko na matintu. So therefore the amount of time allotted for learning, students should be provided some part of physical activity that are developmentally age and ability appropriate. Physical education given more opportunities at an early age to develop hand-eye coordination. And the muscle and skeleton development that brings balance and have the respect of the team, and also have that the will to win, the team spirit that is inborn in a team. So teachers must, we always emphasize that they should include physical activity or physical education with the academic. So the Ministry of Youth and Sports promote school-based sports program as they can bring out noticeable positive development and behavior in students. 2015 alone, in 2015 ni lura ni donan raw na milyon. Sarapakut tala may nandaung gitu na torbo na ngonelo nandaung gitu ni bitir sa gitu tu may balay. O may to karutak tali ni ko kita to i nabusara tu botura ba. Ni gitu sa sanga wala nga ni baka koyango. Sa sanga wala nga ni sulia na merto balance na sui bata ke na masel bata ke na bakasama esa chikital nga ni taktak. Kemambal ni sana may dona development kito metakabu na numdurara na loma ni vida na bakmengo sa naron lure so nangon ni patoroba batike na so nangon ni abusaratu mer sana andar na singiliti bula. I hope you will maintain your sports ground and ensure that it is utilized the fullest. All in the sport and the school community. I hope it brings you many hours of fun-filled activities as family comes together to enjoy healthy living. Know the fact that we are mandated to build this 120 by 70 that will include a running track for students, a rugby field for international recognized rugby field, and also we can put in a rolling bitalangeloma and do a netball, but they can do a volleyball. Konarara ko sa togol matanto. So for those few words, it is an honor to me and the member of government and also media that we are here today to open the ground. Pinakabulewu dan
Kera muni bakalong tatak menontok kaikin no muni loloma na vika samai bukikina vonua na kornibuli
Naka una rango Fabiano Bimbi ni namanya po sa saratu na matanggal yung gulang na totoo na rabo naka
ini manja
yo iyo manja tun kurbuli ngona kana sangata kin rarango itu na ucho tin tu bangat na rara ni na rondol atol sa te udasa na bando na rara menangona ni rondolo tolo mentu anda bentu men orbuli rani me ngoni bulim da sa makar kar liwak sa ndende sa me menduna tunu men ni me la mani totni la ona dona zone en don men don orbuli hoste na dona zone men tuna bai itu sa makar ni hoste na dona zone an orbuli na tarida on rabula na ngone na ben da dorbo dona ya bule buni tu era na rara na buni na crime prevention na rabu na tampangone no me tino tawai o sangani boturaba yorolo ye dona rara na milolo mani bonua e bisu me batodo mai menangu no ba wake ando wake tuneu ula na rara ando wake ila me ndo na so le bodon robe ndo ba odori sa mai ale no rondo to na raida sa sosua sa tala mena watala liwitui sa va ele mena puno ngau no mendanga sa ro meni bi mai mi sa na ro mi ba dor na sana tani mdar sa dor me marau mem sa marau ni na tali di andu itu bi mai ando ambutura itu amakarni bangata itu mem sa ilan sa bangata itu bina bali bun itu ererna brutuna tambani tuna youth and sports na mundu lomasoli rani me rei me no tang rali ni radorbu ni lomani in tineba me mundu me pangatir patuna rarai